AnKing, the time has come. You're ready to install the AnKing deck. Check out this handout that I've made with instructions on how to do that. In this handout, there are also Anki basics. Basically, if you don't know what Anki is and you need help installing the Anki app, check out this part of the handout. And then when you're ready for AnKing, scroll down here and then follow the steps there. This handout will be linked in the description of this video. So AnKing, basically, it's the awesome medical school deck. All the knowledge you need to know from board review resources is compiled into this deck, and we'll talk more about that. But first, installing it. So click here to download. It's a little bit of a confusing thing. If you go to the Anki website, they'll take you to the Anki hub. But right now, just use your standard deck. So version 11, as I'm recording this, is the most recent version. V12 is only for the Anki hub people, so we're using V11. Basically the same stuff. So you're going to click the link and you're going to find this Reddit post. AnKing overhaul step 1, step 2 version, and it'll say a different version if you're in a different version. The deck itself is not here though. Here's all the information, great links to videos, but you're going to scroll down. You're going to scroll down to the comment section. And in the comment section, if you don't see it at the top, just go down here, scroll a little bit. You'll see something in all caps, AnKing step 1, step 2, the version number, decks with media. Bam, that's the one. The actual deck, to download it, you download it from the comment section. That just has to do with some of the content that's in the deck. You're going to download it from the comment section. So you can click any of these links to download it. I'm just going to click the Google Drive link. So click that one. A little bit more comfortable with Google Drive. And then I click download, then click download anyway, and it's going to be about 3 gigabytes. So you've downloaded the AnKing deck. Now it's time to import it into Anki. So go up here to File, Import. Then you're going to find your deck and then import it. Then it'll show up and it'll look like this. It'll say AnKing. What I've done here is I've made a new deck, titled it Ultra AnKing, and then I put all the decks I want to do into this big deck so it's easier for me to do it. I just have to click this. I can do all of them at once. But don't mess with your AnKing deck that you're about to download. If you open it up, you can see there's all these different decks in here. Don't mess with those decks. Don't add in more cards and stuff and do things to them. You want to kind of preserve it. Otherwise, it can get really confusing and you want to have to just re-download it. So now you have the AnKing deck. In a later video, I explain the actual process of using AnKing, but first just a little bit about how it kind of works and what it looks like. So when you go into your Browse tab, on the left, you have all your decks and all the stuff at top, but the main thing you want to look at is when you scroll down, we have decks here, and we have this Tags tab. It might be collapsed, but if you open it up, you should have all these tags. Sometimes when you just download it, you might not have a bunch of tags, but just go up to that Clear Unused Tags button, click it, and then it'll remove things and then add things. So here we have the AnKing tags. We have AnKing step 1, V10 in my case, might be V11 in yours. You want to check this one out. So open it up, and then here are all the main tags. In another video, like I said, I'll explain how to actually use these tags, but this is how you want to navigate the AnKing deck. Don't go exploring those decks at the main deck screen. Use the tags. If there's a B&B video that I want to unsuspend cards for, go to the B&B section. Same for all the other things like Sketchy Path, Farm, and Micro. The tags organize everything.